This has got to be it, right? I hope so. Oh, bam, I found it. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. If you can't tell from this title already, I'm gonna have a little bit of fun today playing with some lighter colors. I keep this palette on my desk front and center. It is my fave. It is, of course, by Colourpop, and it is the Sailor Moon Colourpop collection, or the Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon times Colourpop? You know, we have like 300 things on here, and as you can tell on the cover of mine, it's pretty dirty. Yeah, it's okay. I love this palette is my point. This is my fave palette. I really try not to use it too much just because I don't want it to go away. But this was, I believe, one of the first Colourpop. I think this was the first Colourpop collection I bought in its entirety. Possibly? Maybe? No. Yes? No. Anyway, one of my first Colourpop purchases, my fave Colourpop purchase, my fave palette, because this is adorbs, first of all. I love Sailor Moon, in case you couldn't tell. I'll be playing with this palette today. I absolutely love it. Aside from the cover, we're going to go ahead and I'll open it and I'll show you. Inside, it doesn't have a mirror, but it does have the really cute, oh, let me take this off. Really cute moon design on the inside. It has the moons and it says Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon, Colourpop times Sailor Moon. I absolutely love this. I think the design is beautiful. They did a great job. And then down here you have all the colors, which are labeled on the front and on the back as well. There's just so much for this palette. There's just so much to do with this palette, and I haven't done any videos with this palette yet, but I love it so much. I look at it every day. I figured I might as well just channel my inner Sailor Moon and project it to my face, really, I guess. It's interesting. Anyway, that's what we're going to be doing today. If you are new to my channel, hi, hello, and welcome. We do this every Thursday, Sunday. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because this is great stuff. You're not going to want to miss it. Also, no idea how Usagi did her space buns every day. I did them, but they're not even, or one looks more poofy than the other, and it's just, I had to keep redoing them. They're fairly easy to do, but it took forever. And yes, as you can tell, I trimmed my bangs just for this look. Yes, this is a pink drink just for this video. And yeah, my space buns look beautiful. Anyway, I already primed my eyes with my Morphe concealer. What are you? C 1.55. Where are my brushes? Oh, that's right. I broke out my pink brushes just for this. These are new. I believe I got these in either an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm. Cute as can be, from MOTD Cosmetics. And yeah, they're adorable. If I can open the bag. I'm like, where are my brushes? I deserve a little something. Welcome to April. We're doing it up this month. Plus, look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Oh, and they tell you what they're for. Even though I do what I want. I'm excited. Have an idea. So let's dig in, shall we? I just want to take a second here to mention that, damn, I don't dip into these colors too often, or at least not all together like this, but oh my gosh, that pigment. Unfortunately, this palette doesn't come with a mirror, so I had to improvise and use my own, but yes. Okay, adding mascara definitely helped make this look pop. I really like it, and I used my Wet n Wild Big Papa, right? Yeah, Big Papa mascara. It was the first one I could grab, and it was here, so I used it. And that really helps just, I mean, bring it all out. Next, we're going to come in for some blushes. And I have two, because these are the ones that came with the Sailor Moon times Colourpop collection. Okay, so this is from the Moon and Cat's Eye. And of course, on these as well, they have the little figures on the front that when you move them side to side, of course it changes. Is this side to side? Yeah, these are side to side. Cute. They're both the same like picture though, but the colors are a bit different. And on the inside of these, they do have little mirrors. Let me open these if I can. I use these primarily in spring because they are pops of color. And this one is a matte pink, but it is like a bubblegum pink. And then this one is a little bit more like of a peachy pink, but still very pink in itself. And it has sparkles in it. So very cute. And this one is the Cat's Eye. Or excuse me, this one is Cat's Eye. Yeah, and this one is from the Moon. Both adorable. And I'm actually going to be dipping into both of them today. Because I can, and why not? And have you seen this look so far? I know you have. So we're going to use both. Don't act surprised. I'll come in with my little Colourpop flat top brush. It's F15. I'm not really sure what that means. Flat top 15. But I love these things, especially for my blushes. They're the best. This one I'll try and keep higher up to give depth. Ooh. Yeah, I know you see that. Yup. Yes. That one is so pretty. And it's a little bit, I don't know, this one looks like it's gonna come out darker on my skin than it actually is. It's not very bubblegummy pink on my skin. But that's still cool. And that one was from the Moon. They're a little hard to see because they're so light, but that's okay. I don't mind. And then this one is Cat's Eye. And I don't know if I showed you this, but on, before I blinded you, on the little blushes, they have the little imprints of Luna on them, which I think is adorable. It kind of makes me sad that I have to use it and wear it off. But it's so cute. Anyway. Oh, yeah. Yes, that's cute. I love it. In all fairness, though, I love all blush. But I mean, Colourpop blush just does a little something extra, I think. At least for me, it does a little something extra. Which is why I'm going to come in with a little some extra just for up here to help deepen it. There we go. Yes. I love it. 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 Okay. Moving on. I actually do have... I do not have... I don't? Okay. Okay. I was not able to find my Sailor Moon little glitter pots from Colourpop, but I have my my Glitterly Obsessed mini duo from the Amaro bedroom collection or what have you. And then I also have these highlighters that we're going to come in with first from CoverGirl. And I thought they were cute because they're pink, not only on the containers because it's the Clean and Fresh collection, but on the colors themselves, they're pink. Very light, very pinky. We're just going to come in with these real quick. I think more so, I'm going to come in with Opal Dreams instead of transparent. Let me put this back because I'm bad at putting stuff back. I'm going to come in and do I just had Opal Dreams. They're labeled on the lid instead of the bottom, which is really weird. But I'm going to come in with Opal Dreams real quick. Ooh, girl. You see that? It goes on so shiny, so sparkly, and also very cool because it's kind of like a jelly stick. And then I just take my finger, blend it a bit. Can you see it? Does it blind you a little? No? A little? I mean, in the right light, you can see it. It just, bam, reflects back at you. And that's really, really cute. So, what else are we going to do? A few more shinies. Yeah, I'll do more shinies. I have this little fella from my Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed. It's the cute little pots. What are you? It's a glitter, just a little pot. So I have my Glitterly Obsessed little thingy from Colourpop as well. This one's silver. It's in the shade In Your Eyes, which is bad. You probably shouldn't put glitter in your eyes or near your eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it around here, just because I want to give myself a little bit more pop, a little bit more glitter, because I feel like that's very Sailor Moon-esque-ish. You know what I mean. Before I forget, the whole reason I put chapstick on, I have these two cuties. These are the Ultra Blotted Lip from Colourpop, both of them from the Sailor Moon collection. And no, I didn't get the gloss because I'm not about that gloss life. But they are ultra glossy glosses, ultra glossy lip glosses. You know what I mean? But I thought these were cute, so I did purchase these as well. And their shade names are so cute. One of them is Bunhead, and the other one is Usagi. So, I mean, they're both really cute. I don't know which one to use, though. Actually, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna see if I can line my lips with Bunhead and then come in the center with Usagi. I just want to try it really quick. Real quick. So I managed to just line my lips with Bunhead. Kind of looks like I had a popsicle. That's okay. I don't mind. We actually have popsicles in the fridge. Should eat some. I'm going to come in with Usagi now and fill in the rest. I tried and I failed. That's okay. So I slightly messed up the look because I wanted to do like a cute little star on this eyelid with my white liner, and I totally messed it up. But overall, this look is banging. Let me take off my little Luna cat ears. My little Luna Artemis cat ears. Fluff the Bunhead bangs. And overall, this look that I did, I'm gonna have to give it, aside from this, a 10 out of 10 because it's so good. I love, love, love this look. Not only do I love Colourpop's formulations, like in general, they are amazing, but this look came together so well. The colors blended beautifully, and I love, I mean, just how everything is there, and it feels very Sailor Moon-esque, if that kind of makes sense. Yeah? No? Sort of? I don't know. I feel like it does. Like, the colors themselves, not so much the anime or cartoon or the manga or whatever you are used to. Not entirely, but when I put it on and I use it with my bun head, and say I put on another type of Sailor Moon shirt or like an outfit or a costume, what have you, I feel like I would feel very much like Sailor Moon, and I really like that. I do. I like this a lot. Let me know if you got the Sailor Moon collection when it initially launched, like last year, year before, last year. I think it was last year. Yeah, because they just relaunched it this year. I think it was for the Sailor Moon movie, or this, I forget what it was that came out, but it was supposed to come out, but then because of the pandemic they pushed it back. It's just a whole bunch of stuff. Nothing is where it should be this year, and that's to be expected. That's absolutely okay, because it's gonna happen eventually, and as long as we get to enjoy more Sailor Moon, I'm okay with it. Thanks very much for hanging out with me and sharing my favorite palette, at least my favorite palette from Colourpop, with you guys. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time. Bye!